Here's Ethan getting his bath. See what a big fan he is?
You got some on your head? Oh.
Yay! He's definitely not his mommy's child.
Yeah, you like that?
Mommy would not tolerate this.
How about this?
Oh, Daddy. Oh, Daddy,
go.
what are
Get back
you
on your
doing to me? Look how cute I am getting my bath.
That's right, just lay there and relax.
I've been the smiley boy today. Yeah. We'll get you soaked up here in a minute, won't we? Yay! Yay! Alright, we'll go stop and get you soaked up now, little man.